In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix secondary verification in Binance quickly and efficiently. We all know that sometimes these additional security layers can misbehave, causing more frustration than peace of mind. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring your account remains secure and functions smoothly. First, we'll start by logging into your Binance account. Make sure you're using the official Binance website or app to avoid any phishing schemes. If you've enabled facial recognition or fingerprint scanning, these can be handy tools to speed up this step. Once you're in, we'll navigate to the next part of our tutorial. Now direct your attention to your profile section. This can usually be found in the top right corner of the Binance interface. Click on it and a drop-down menu should appear. Here you'll want to select Security. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this section since it serves as the gateway to all your security settings and verification methods. Next, take a moment to inspect if your 2FA or two-factor authentication is set up properly. This could be through the Google Authenticator app, SMS, or email. Each of these methods plays a vital role in securing your account by requiring a second verification step beyond your password. Ensure each method's status is active and functioning as expected. If they're working correctly, you won't need to make any changes. But if you notice any issues, we'll move on to the next step. If you find that one of your 2FA methods is broken or not responding, don't worry, this is more common than you might expect, and there's a simple fix. Beside the failed method, you'll see an option that says Reset. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where the system allows you to return everything to working condition and regain access to secondary authentication features. After selecting Reset, follow the prompts the system provides. These prompts will guide you step by step through the process of verifying your information and restoring access to the broken authentication method. Be prepared to provide any requested details, such as a backup code, an answer to a security question, or even a quick snapshot of an identification document. These are essential for security reasons and ensure that you're the rightful owner making these modifications. Once you've followed these steps, your secondary verification should be functioning correctly. It's important to remember that these processes are in place to protect your assets and personal information. By ensuring your 2FA settings are always in good shape, you can enjoy greater security and peace of mind when using Binance. I hope this tutorial helps you fix any issues with secondary verification swiftly. Now that you know how to manage these settings, you can easily address similar problems in the future, ensuring your Binance account remains secure and accessible. Thank you for watching, and stay safe online.